The Snoring Center was founded based on the realization that traditional treatment options just don't work for most people. CPAP compliance is less than 40%, and traditional surgery is too invasive, too painful, and too expensive for most folks. With the advent of new technology, minimally invasive, office-based treatment became possible, so that we're able to treat people in an office setting using only local anesthesia with excellent outcomes. Since 2004, we've treated tens of thousands of patients and have offices across the country, all of which are staffed by board-certified ear, nose, and throat physicians who can discuss all of your treatment options and help you decide which are best for you. So if snoring or sleep apnea are issues at your house, give us a call.